Government rules.
Chapter 1. Rules protect us. Rules are important. They help keep us safe. They help us get along with each other. Following the rules can make life better. Parents make rules for a family. Schools make rules for students. Our government makes rules too. Caption: The government makes rules to keep people safe. National parks. National parks are public places. They are all over the country. Yellowstone was the first one. It became a national park in 1872. Mountains, rivers, lakes, and forests form this park. Caption: People visit a geyser known as Old Faithful in Yellowstone National Park.
Now the United States has more than 400 national parks. Some are set in nature. Others are important to our history. Rules protect these places. The rules will make sure the parks are around for a long time. Caption: This park is in Tennessee and North Carolina.